This is the installation guide for the DAE wireless cloud metering system for water. Step 1. Connect the 120 volt to 12 volt power adapter to the power port on the AMR. Step 2. Connect the red wire from the first water meter to channel 1 on the AMR. Step 3. Connect the black wire from the first water meter to channel C on the AMR. Step 4. Repeat step 2 and 3 for the rest of the water meters. Step 5. Connect the antenna on the WSC500. Step 6. Connect the RS485 port plus and minus on the AMR to the RS485-A and RS485-B port on the WSC500. Step 7. Connect the 120 volt to 12 volt power adapter to the power port on the WSC500. Step 8. Connect the RS485-A and RS485-B port on the second WSC500 to the RS485-1 port plus and minus on the CC2030. Step 9. Connect the 120 volt to 12 volt power adapter to the power port on the CC2030. You can connect another 120 volt to 12 volt power adapter to the power port on the WSC500, or you can use an electrical wire to power the WSC500 with the power adapter connecting to CC2030. Step 10. Connect the antenna on the second WSC500. Step 11. Connect the CAF-IE cable to the Ethernet port on the CC2030 and your router. If the second AMR or AMR 130 is added to the system, connect the RS485 port plus and minus on the first AMR or AMR 130 to the RS485 port plus and minus on the second AMR or AMR 130. Then connect to the RS485A and RS485B port on the WSC500. And then connect the RS485-A and RS485-B port on the WSC500 to the RS485-1 port plus and minus on the CC2030. This is the end of installation guide. If you have any questions, please contact us at info@daecontrols.com or call us at 248-635-3708. Thank you.